Ciao a tutti! Welcome to my cooking class. Today I want to talk about trito. Trito is mix of three vegetables: onion, celery and carrot. Let's start.
The soffritto is the holy trinity of Italian cuisine, and it's made of carrot, celery, and onion. It's a flavor base used in many dishes. In this base, we can also add leek, garlic, parsley, and some of our favorite herbs. Preparing it is very simple. First, cut the onion in half. Then take off its skin.
When you prepare the trito, don't use the leaves of celery.
Now, take off the leaves from the celery, if there are any. With a potato peeler, peel the carrot. Peel the garlic clove and remove its germ. Take off the stem of the parsley.
All vegetables are ready for washing.
Let's cut the vegetables. Carrot goes first. Cut off its ends. If it is a long carrot, cut it in half to make it easier. Cut a slice off lengthwise and turn the carrot to lay flat on that cut. This keeps it from rolling while cutting it. Take the slices and cut again lengthwise, about ½ inch wide. You will have strips at this point. Turn the strips so you can cut across them. Now we cut the leek. Cut it lengthwise. This time, lay it flat on the round side. If you try to cut on the opposite side, the blade could slit. And next, we cut the onion. Very easy. Just do what Mom does. Finally, we cut the celery. Again, a long cut lengthwise and then cut across the slices. Take the herbs and chop them. We chose rosemary, sage, parsley, and marjoram. And now, garlic. This is pretty simple. We can use different tools to cut the vegetables. A knife, a mandoline, a manual food chopper, an electrical food chopper. But take it easy with the electrical chopper. It can easily turn the chopped vegetable mix into a useless paste. This is cut with a knife, a mandoline, a manual food chopper, and the electrical food chopper. And this is just a mess.
I like Italian style.
In a pan, put a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Put the diced vegetables. When it's sizzling, add red wine or white wine, or just water, depending on the result you want to achieve. The rule of thumb is, use red wine for meat dishes, white wine for fish. Water to keep a neutral flavor. There are exceptions though. In this video, we use red wine because later Mom will prepare beef. Remember that before pouring the wine, the pan needs to be hot. The vegetables have to sizzle, and the color of the onion has to change from white to clear. After adding wine or water, simmer at very low heat. It will take about 20 minutes to reduce. Let's recap 3 key points we learned and avoid these errors. Do not chop the vegetables too fine, making them like a paste. Be careful when you use an electric chopper. Just give a few quick bursts. Do not use high heat to reduce. Do not put salt in our delicious soffritto.
The soffritto is ready. Now you cook what you want inside: fish, vegetable, meat. I suggest you, if you want to cook in meat, to use the red wine. If you want to cook in vegetable or fish, to use the white wine. You know what is the soffritto? If you want to discover a beautiful recipe, follow me and become really Italian chef. Subscribe. Ciao!